Welcome to Linux Help, how to install Flask on Debian 12. Flask is a free and open-source microweb framework for Python designed to help developers build secure, scalable, and maintainable web applications. Flask is based on Werkzeug and uses Jinja 2 as a template engine. Check the OS version by using the following command. Now check the version of the Python by using the following command. Check the version of the pip by using the following command. If pip is not installed, then install it by using the following command. After the installation, check the pip version again by using the following command. Install the virtualenv package by using the following command. Create a new Python virtual environment by using the following command. Once the virtual environment is created, run the following command to activate it. Now install Flask by using pip install command. After the installation, check the version of the Flask by using the following command. Now create a simple Python code file that will import Flash to print a simple hello message by using the following command. Run the file by using the Python command. Now go to the browser and search the following link: http:// /127.0.0.1:5000. This is the steps to install Flask on Debian 12. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any queries, kindly mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.